A retired flooring contractor was watching television one night last month when he saw a news report about federal agents raiding U.S. Private Vaults, a store in a Beverly Hills strip mall that let customers rent safe deposit boxes anonymously. He knew the place well. It's near his home and, for years, he has rented a long, narrow box there to keep about $60,000 in cash, gold and silver. It also contained the title certificate for his pickup truck. The 69-year-old man, who declined to be named because of privacy and safety concerns, said he has kept a stockpile of currency and precious metals since getting spooked by the 2008 financial crash. "You never know what's going to happen, the way the world's going today," he said. That financial net vanished, at least for now, in the raid. Armed with a warrant, agents with the FBI and Drug Enforcement Administration pulled each of the store's several hundred boxes out of the walls and seized all the contents. It took 5 days to inventory everything and take it to an undisclosed warehouse. Prosecutors said drugs, weapons and stacks of currency that drew the attention of drug-sniffing dogs were discovered. To reclaim property, people must identify themselves to federal authorities and prove they are the rightful owners of the items, a bar that may prove challenging to clear when dealing with cash, gold, heirloom jewelry and other undocumented items. The raid has set off legal challenges from 5 box holders who say the government violated the Constitution's ban on unreasonable search and seizure. District Judge R. Gary Klausner on Tuesday declined one customer's request for an emergency order that would have blocked prosecutors from using the box's contents as evidence in the investigation. It also would have stopped the FBI from requiring box holders to identify themselves as a condition of getting their valuables back. Klausner, however, left open the possibility that the sweeping nature of the seizures violated the box renters' rights. Klausner's ruling came in the first of the 5 lawsuits filed by U Private Vaults customers, who estimate there were 600 to 1,000 boxes in the store. Prosecutors have argued in court filings that they are on solid legal footing, saying they can prove the company itself as a criminal enterprise and that most of the box holders were criminals hiding ill-gotten wealth. But they also acknowledged in court records that innocent people had been swept up in the case. No charges have been filed against any of the store's customers. Legal scholars say the U Attorney's Office in Los Angeles is testing constitutional restraints on the government's power to seize private property. "This was at bottom executing a warrant at a business," said Orin Kerr, a UC Berkeley law professor. "What makes it different is that hundreds of customers had their own Fourth Amendment protected spaces in their safe deposit boxes. That's what makes this unusual."